Hello, hi. Welcome to Crossblog X TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below, and please don't forget to always check your notification button for all our news updates. Today's update is about my beautiful queen, my gorgeous lady, a mother, a wife, a prophetess. Let me introduce her, Queen Shilekunla Naomi, Mama Tadenikawo. Yes. Queen Naomi just gained an admission into a private university. Let's first congratulate her. Queen Naomi Shilekunla Mama Tadenikawo from Crossblog XTV. We congratulate you. Congratulations. I love you because you are stepping up. Yes. You didn't remain in that same place when you left the palace. You have moved on with your life. Congratulations. You have started well, you will end well in Jesus' name. From Crossblog XTV, we say congratulations. We love you so much. Yes. And I'm sure a lot of people on our platform, they love you as well. See my gorgeous queen stepping out to uni with a satin shirt and a shiny pants, trousers, Even the brother is taking pictures with her, I just like their family. They support each other, And the queen is stepping out. Yes, she's gorgeously dressed, beautifully dressed. We know now Queen Naomi now. She know they disappoint. Yes, Queen Naomi is always on the, she's always, her fashion sense has really gone high. She's a fashionista now. Beautiful, elegant lady. Not too much makeup, mild makeup, no earrings, Oh God, Mama Tadenika will to be jiggy. Hey, oh God, you. On your fife, you are missing. See this sweet lady. Mama Tadenika will take me nikan. She looks so malicious. Sweet potato. My malato. Now she's stepping out, she's off to the uni, going into her car. I love this woman so much. She doesn't make noise. Yes. Queen Naomi Shilekunla, she doesn't make noise. Lè sọ pé torí àdẹ kúrò àkọ́kọ́ lẹ̀ káyé wa má dáka dẹ̀ remain lójú kan. No, please. Pé torí àdẹ kúrò àkọ́kọ́ lẹ̀ káyé wa má dáka dẹ̀ remain lójú kan. No, please. Another advice, please. Any situation that shakes you, please try to double up your standard. Try to move ahead. Try to move on. Kamama Jekin Koma sub. You see her in this picture now. I'm sure somebody secretly took that picture. She's studying. She's very humble. Queen Naomi is so humble. I love this woman. Very humble. Very, very humble queen. Queen Naomi, we love you so much. We love you so much, Queen Naomi. From Crossblog XTV, please drop your comment. What do you think? Naomi has stepped up. Queen Naomi has really stepped up. She has moved on with her life. This lady, there's something I admire about her. She left the palace and she just changed her life, as in she has moved on. She has achieved a lot of things. Yes, and I'm really happy for her. At least those things will keep her. As in those things will not let her get distracted with life, with everything surrounding, the Ooni of Ife Palace. She's moved on, and that's a very good decision she has made, to double up, to keep moving on with your life, to progress in life, and I'm really happy. Please drop a comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. For all our subscribers, we love you so much. We see all your comments. God bless you. Or what the fin type yẹn kò ní kán lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ̀dẹ̀ ní fi gbọ́n ọmọ sí ẹ̀ ní fi tọrọ jẹ. Please, guys, stay tuned. There's a hot update coming soon. Lè dúró wò tán wà láì. Ẹ ṣáà gbé popcorn yín kẹ́ ready fún wa. Thank you so much. God bless you. Cheers.